Hoya! Hello my happy fellow YouTubers. Welcome to my channel. This is Marcelina at cashyourgreens.com. This video is about growing Hoya. And if you like the video, please consider to subscribe below. And don't forget to always open your notification icon so you can get notified on my next new video. So let's get started. There are more than 100 species of Hoya, but one of the most commonly grown indoor is Hoya carnosa, which is commonly named for waxy plant or porcelain flowers. Each flowering plant species belong to a family Dugbane Aprocinaceae. I hope I pronounced the word properly. In this channel, guys, we're going to be learning a lot of scientific names in plants description, and cultivation. If I don't pronounce the word properly, just bear with me, guys, and we will learn this together. So most of the Hoya species are native to Asia and Australia. And why this plant is so popular houseplant? Because of the attractive waxy foliage and sweetly scented flowers. My Hoya don't have flowers yet, and I've been patiently waiting for it. Come on now, it's almost spring. Bloom, will you? The flowers of Hoya, guys, are slightly pink, sometimes may vary near to white or dark pink. They are star-shaped and are born in clusters, look like a tiny wax miniature. And it can be easily propagated. You can propagate them by cuttings or by air layering. So in this video, we are going to propagate this plant by cuttings, and I'm going to show you guys the easiest method to propagate this plant. So let's get going and see me on the other side. You can propagate your Hoya cuttings in water and in soil. If you are using the water to clone the plants, there are two ways you can do this. First, find a bottle like what you see here in this video. You can use a bottle or a glass, then filled with water. Then take some cuttings like what you see here. I cut this cutting here already to save time, and then put or place in the bottle. This is the simplest form of propagating the cuttings in water. Most hobbyists using this kind of method. You can also place your Hoya cuttings in this knit cup. You just place like that and put the insert. So just like that, and place in the FOGPONICS. So this is the best method in cloning the Hoya cuttings. To propagate Hoya plants in soil, use a soilless media, which is 50% cocoa fiber and 50% perlite. Take cuttings 4 to 6 inches like what you see here in this video. Dip into a Clonix gel, a rooting hormones that will help you speed up the rooting process. In a pencil, create a hole and insert your cuttings. Push the soil down to avoid air pocket. So after you plant your Hoya, label them, and then the last thing you do is water the plants. Alright, so after you propagate this in water, guys, it takes 4 weeks. As you can see, this is the result of the cuttings. Look at that. It's very healthy. So this is ready for repotting. Placing the cuttings in a glass or bowl. It's one of the simplest method in propagating the cuttings. So let's check in the FOGPONICS. Alright, so it's getting darker now, guys, but I just want to show you the result of the FOGPONICS. Let's check this out here. So as you can see that, guys, the FOGPONIC is a little bit healthier. As you can see, the roots is healthier than the cuttings we propagated in a bottle. It is because when you propagate the cuttings in the bottle, there is no movement of the water. In the FOGPONICS, there is water movement, because I have the airstone in here. So it's getting dark now, you cannot even see. So that's good thing for FOGPONICS, because there is an oxygenation. So you can see, as you can see here, the root is healthier than the one in the bottle. This is one of the best method, guys. If you wanna make this serious, if you want to make the propagation so serious, you can use the FOGPONICS if you want to make profits of your plants. But if you just want to be a hobbyist, then you can use the simplest form of propagation, like what I show you in the bottle. Most people, hobbyists, using that type of propagation. So this is the other propagation that I had. I don't want to disturb this, guys, because I know it's rooting, and this has been more than 2 months, so I don't want to disturb this. But again, that is the easiest method to propagate the Hoya. Alright, guys, this is the end of our video for today. It's getting darker in the greenhouse, and if you have any question or concern, just comment below this video or visit me at cashewgreens.com, and I'll be there for you guys to answer all your questions. And if you like the video, consider to subscribe, and don't forget to always open your notification icon so you can get notified of my next video. Share the video to everyone, to your friends in social media, and see you next week. Adios.